Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel is Smart Study. In today's class, I am going to discuss the previous paper, what test I have given for you. All the solutions I will give you in this class. Let's start that. First one is what? ABTs, choose the correct answers, right? First question is what? This food prevents us from falling ill. Means what? Prevents us means it will stop us without falling ill. What is the answer? Ghee, butter, orange. Orange. Orange is the answer. That is C option. Next one. Wheat is an example of this food. I told three types of foods will be there. What are they? Energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Wheat comes under which type of food I told? Energy giving food. Yes or no? Wheat, rice, those type of items all comes under the energy giving food. So answer is B. Next, moving to the third one. We should always follow such habits that help us stay healthy or unhealthy. We should follow which habits to be healthy. So, we should always follow such habits that help us stay healthy. A is the answer. Moving to the fourth bit. How many times we need to brush our teeth daily? How many times you should brush daily? Early morning when you wake up and night time while you go to sleep also you need to brush. So 2 times you should brush. That is twice. B option is the answer. Now moving to the fifth one. We should never touch an electrical switch with dash hands. Dry hands, wet hands, none. Wet hands. Wet means tadi. Tadi చేతులతో we should not touch electrical switches. Okay. Now moving to the next bit. B bit. Hard words, right? Okay, let's see. I am zooming. See here children, what is their first one? Fi dash S dash A dash D. Can you guess what is this answer? First aid. So what is the spelling of first aid children? First. First aid. AID. Okay. This line is what? I. First aid, or else I am writing. Wait. AID. First aid. Okay. FIRST. First. AID. First aid. Okay. Next one. E dash. E dash. G dash. What is this answer? Energy. 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 Okay. ENERGY. Energy. Next one is what children? H dash A dash G dash Y. That is what? Healthy. Yes or no? What is the spelling of healthy? HEALTHY. This is H. Okay. HEALTHY. This is your answer. First one is first aid. Next is energy. Third one is healthy. Okay. Now moving to the next bit. I am zooming it. Wait. Okay. Now see here. Fourth one hard word is what? P dash O dash EC dash IV dash. Can you guess what is this answer? Protective. Protective food I have told, no? That one. PROTECT again T IVE. This is your answer. I am repeating again. Listen carefully. PROTECT. Protect. IVE. Protective. Okay. Moving to the last one. What is the last one? EX dash R dash I dash E. That is what children? Exercise. So what is the spelling? EXERCISE. This is your answer. Exercise. 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 Okay. Now moving to the true or false. First one is what children? Our fingernails should be long. Is it true? No. Should our fingernails be long? No, they should be very short and neat every time. So the first answer is what? False. If they have given our fingernails are should be short means you can write that true. They are given here long, so I have written the answer as false. That is F. Moving to the next bit. We should exercise only once a month. Is it true? No, no, children. Only once in a month you should do exercise. No, regularly you should do. Every day you should do exercise. So answer is what? Again false. That is F. Okay, false. Now last one. We get energy by eating fish. Yes or no? Yes, we will be getting energy by eating fish. Okay. First one is false, second is false, and the last one is the true. Now moving to the fill in the blanks. We should dash our hands before and after eating our food. What did I told for you? Before and after eating food, what we should do for our hands? We should wash our hands. Okay. What is the spelling of wash? W-A-S-H. So we should wash our hands before and after eating our food. Next, second one is what, children? Eating excess of dash can spoil our teeth. What did I told for you? Eating excess of sugar foods. The foods which contain sugar, if you eat more and more, what will happen? They will spoil your teeth. So you can write here sugar coated food or sweets. Anything you can write. So I am writing here sweets because I am having less place. So eating excess of sweets. S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets. Okay, if you write any sugar type foods also, I will give the marks. Eating excess of sweets can spoil our teeth. Next one. The first immediate help that an injured person needs to be given is called dash. What did I told for you? What is the name given for this? For the immediate help given to the any injured person after an accident is called what, children? First aid. So what is the spelling of first aid? F-I, this is I, R-S-T, first aid. Aid is what? Spelling A-I, this is I. D, first aid. Oh, okay, this is our answer. Next, moving to the matching. Match the following. Let's see. See here they have given different types of foods, and this side they have given in which food it is present. We need to match. First one is what, children? Sugar coated food. In the right side in the given food items, which food is sugar coated? Burger, sweets, apple, soya bean, rice. So sweets come under the sugar coated food. So first answer is what, children? B. Next one is what? Energy giving food. I told for you three types of foods will be there. Energy giving food, body building food and protective food. The energy giving food mainly comes under what I told? Rice and wheat. I think I have given in the choose the correct answer. Wheat is an example of energy giving food. Similarly, rice also comes under the energy giving food. Your second answer is what, children? E. That is rice. Okay. Next, moving to the body building food. Body building food means what at all? Milk, eggs, some fiber food like what? Peas, soya beans, such type I have given for fish, those all. So body building food comes under what? Soya bean. That is D. D is your answer. Okay. Next, moving to the junk food. Junk food means all oil food you'll eat. No, noodles, pizza, burgers, those one. So here they have given burger. So junk food goes under A. That is burger. Last one is what, children? Protective food. Means in this protective food all the vitamins and minerals will be present. In which type of food these vitamins and minerals, that is protective food, will be there? I told in all the fruits. Yes or no? And some vegetables also. So here what fruit is there? Apple is there. So protective food goes under the apple. Now I am writing here answers. You can check. First one is what, children? B. So I am writing here first one is B. Second one is energy giving food, rice, right? So that is E. Second one goes to E. Third one is what? Body building food, that is soya bean. D option is your answer. B, E. This is D. You might think again A. I am writing again, wait. First one is B. Second one is E. Third one is D, right? D. This is okay. Next, junk food is A. Burger. A. Last one, protective food goes under apple. C. Okay. By this we have completed bits. We shall see the short question answers. I am not writing here. Just I am saying for you. Listen. You can see in the notes and write. Learn. First question is what? What might happen if we eat a lot of oily food? If you eat lot of oily food, what will happen? Children, those are not good for health. You may become very fat and you may get a disease called what? Obesity. Yes or no? Those are not good for health. Next one. Name two things which children should do only in the presence of the adults. Adults means what? Your parents or your elder sisters or brothers or your neighbors, anybody, okay? So, what you should do, what children should do, any two things they are asking us to give in the presence of the adults only, okay? Suppose what I have given for you, you are using knives, blades or scissors, anything, while using them in front of your parents or any adults, you should do that work, okay? If you took their guidance, they will guide you how to use it, yes or no? In front of the adults only you need to do. Suppose while Diwali festival you are bursting crackers, then you should take the help of your adults. If they are there, they will guide you how to use, okay? In such type, any two things you can write. Or while crossing the road, you can't cross the road because you don't know properly what are all the traffic rules and when to cross all everything. Suppose that is why if you took your adults help, they will help you to cross the road, okay? Any two things you can write, okay? By this we have completed the second lesson test also. In the next class I will come with the third lesson, children. Till then, bye. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study. Thank you.